MatPlotLib plot types. Pairwise data, statistical distributions, graded data, irregular graded data, (3D) and volumetric data. Sa pairwise data, merong 7 figures: plot, X and Y axis, scatter, X and Y axis, bar, X axis height, stem, XY, fill between X, Y1, Y2, stock plot, XY, stairs, values. Pwede na natin siya maklik. Pag naklik natin siya, pwede pa natin i-click yung word na plot. Makikita natin yung mga call signatures, coordinates of the points or line nodes are given by XY. And merong plotting level data, plotting multiple sets of data, parameters, XY, yung array like or scalar, the horizontal vertical coordinates of the data points, X values are optional and default to this one na code. Common or default na cycle. Commonly, these parameters are 1D arrays. Ayan din yung meaning ng FMP. STR optional, yung nakasulat. Data, indexable, object optional. Ito yung property and yung corresponding description. Pinindot natin, mas mag-scale, specifically scale down pa siya into the meaning of that specific parameter. A filter function which takes a m and depth float array and the DPI value and returns a m and depth array and 2 offsets from the bottom left corner of the image. API references, documentation, and as a plot types, pairwise data, statistical distribution, distributions, see hist, the graph. Pwede nating ma-download din ito. Boxplot, error bar, see error bar, violin plot, event plot, his2b plot, hexbane XYZ plot, pi xplot. ecdf xplot, graded data, lots of arrays and images, regular grids with corresponding coordinates. You can see here the meaning of the regular grid, a tessellation of n-dimensional Euclidean space by congruent Lelotaups, give an example, bricks, its opposite is irregular grid. Example of a regular grid dimension. A Cartesian related grids, Cartesian grid, yeah. Cartesian grid, 3D rectilinear grid, 2D curvilinear grid, non-curvilinear combination of different 2D curvilinear grids, 2D triangular grid. If we go back dun sa pinaka gridded data na illustrations, I'm show, see I'm show. P color mesh XYZ, P color mesh XYZ, C plot. Contour XYZ illustration, then the code. Click copy if we want to copy it. I sign the copy. Copied. Contour fxyz. Let's see the barbs xyu v. This is the illustration. If we want to study more of it, then may mga call signature. Then meaning, like for example, yung pivot, kapag may nakalagay doon sa coding na words, meron pixel yung pinaka definition. Examples using this one. Wind barbs, demonstration of wind barb plots. Mga teams. Quiver XYUV. See quiver. Stream plot. Stream plot. See stream plot. Irregular gridded data. Lots of data. Unstructured grids. When we look at structured grids. Example of unstructured grid. Unstructured grid. Or irregular grid at desolation of a part of the Euclidean plane. Example. Other related words, gridding, types of mesh, regular grid, mesh generation, finite elements analysis. Structured grid, tricontour XYZ. Codes. Tricontour XYZ, tricontour F. Mas may more on my scattered points. Tricolor XYZ. Triplot XYZ. 3D and volumetric data. Plots of 3-dimensional XYZ surface, XY, and volumetric data using the MPL toolkits.mplot3d library. Go back. Merong scatter, plot surface, plot trisurf, voxels, plot wireframe. Let's check. Cube. Volumetric shape. Or ito yung volumetric data. Pwede natin ma-download yung Jupyter Notebook. Download din yung Python source code. MPL toolkits, voxels XYZ field.